The formerly flightless Robert sets down in Amsterdam and struggles to compete with the local birds for food. Here he goes. He's gonna make a bold play for that baguette, I believe. Oh, 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 oh! I think he's done it.
He's done it.
What a happy ending for the formerly flightless Robert.
He's coming this way.
Formerly flightless Robert seems a little unsure in his new urban environment. Over here we can see him. He must have been attempting to mate with this statue and is now confused as to what to do, the statue having neither accepted nor rejected his advances. This is new territory for the formerly flightless Robert Bird.